my hands and give you praise for all the blessings you've poured today. Through every trial, through every tear, you've been my strength, you've been so near. Thank you, Lord, for all you've done, for guiding me when days were undone. Your love has carried me through it all. With you I rise and I stand tall. Every moment I've felt your grace. You've held me close, I see your face. In every season your love remains. You're the source of joy through all the pains. Thank you, Lord, days were undone. Your love's carried me through it all. With you I rise and I stand tall. As we enter the year ahead, I trust in you, by faith I'm led. Thank you, Lord.